Welcome to another edition of SchindlerHaughton's elevator parts collection. What you're looking at here is a circa 1930s Haughton call button. As you see, it has a bronze finish. It's still in very good condition. See that glass jewel there? I feel like this was a vanity button. Anyway, I got this in December of 2009 off of eBay for about $15. Probably my cheapest and also my personal favorite elevator part. Now let's turn this over and look at how this works. It's very simple and very basic, and it still operates very well. See, that's how it works. This came from Missouri, and it's very possible Diesel Juice has seen this elevator before, although he's not sure. As you see, there is a screw missing down there. I intend to replace that in the near future. Anyway, that's it.